What's up, my peeps? Wagwan. Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. And guys, today, this is the real deal, no joke around here. And guys, this drink is for grown folks, people with arthritis and who have the weak back and who just need some energy in them life, some pep in them step. This drink is out of Jamaica, Jamaican style, alright guys? And this is part 2 into my thing. This is Irish Marsh Flaxseed Peanut Punch Energy Drink. Alright guys, this is bodybuilder, get all the energy in the world, all the vitality, the stamina, the oomph. Alright guys, let's get into this video. So to start off, I'm going to add a little bit of rum. Rum give it the flavor and give it a kick. I have some raw peanut. I'm going to add Alaska peanut punch just for a little bit more flavor and give it a little bit of sweet taste. And the ripe banana is good enough, so I don't need to add no sugar around here. There you have, I have my Irish Marsh ready and waiting to put in the blender, alright? Some rose water, some cinnamon, some Jamaican allspice. I have half can of Guineas. I really want a dragon, but Guineas will do. I have some flaxseed oil and I'm going to use some powdered flaxseed as well. I have a little bit of oats. I'm going to add a few spoons. Some vanilla. Some nutmeg right there. Why may I pass the nutmeg? Can't pass the nutmeg. You need the nutmeg into the thing. Alright? And there I have some pumpkin seed and I have some almond slice. And I'm going to add a little bit of almond milk just to give it more flavor and also to add some juice to the thing. And also I have 2 ripe banana. Alright, I'm going to prep all of this and then I'm going to come right back. We're going to start off first with some raw peanut. Alright, I'm going to put about half cup of raw peanut, not too much. So basically half of the pack, half cup. Alright, I'm gonna add everything in. Alright, empty out my Guineas. Oh yes, go in with some almond milk. Oh yes, about that. I'm gonna add some vanilla, about a teaspoon. I'm gonna go in with some rose water, about half teaspoon, not too much, just about a tips to give it the flavor. Here I have some flaxseed oil. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon, a squirt, 2 squirt there. I have about 2 tablespoons of Irish Marsh or sea moss. I'm going to add it in. I'm going to add my pumpkin seed, about 2 tablespoons, and about 2 tablespoons of almonds slice. I'm going to add a dash of cinnamon, about 1/4 or so teaspoon. Same with the nutmeg, just a splash, not too much. About 1/4 teaspoon. Next, I'm going to add about half cup of oats, 2 tablespoons of flaxseed, and I'm going to add just a tip of rum, about maybe half teaspoon. Don't put too much, guys. Oh Lord, now we drunk. Oh Jesus. Measure it, guys, before you put it in. Now we drunk here. Jesus beam. Oh dear, dear. Now I have some peanut punch. I'm gonna put about half pack. You can use the whole pack if you want. Oh dear, oh dear. And guys, the last thing, I'm just gonna add my bananas. You can add ensure, supplement, nutriment, whatever you want to it. All right, that's it, guys. Now I'm gonna cover it. So guys, power on, and we're gonna blend everything on high. All right, guys, now let's see. All right. Woo. All right, first we're gonna pour some in the glass. Ooh. Look at that richness, guys. Oh my. Right up. Ooh, yes. And then we're gonna fold this one up. Yes, and we still have leftovers. This is the final result. My Irish Mosh Flaxseed Peanut Punch Energy Drink Bodybuilder. And guys, it tastes so refreshing and nice. And guys, you know what? This drink also good for people who have arthritis. Just pumps out the alcohol, alright guys, and it's good for back pain, you know, weak bones. Guys, it's good for you. It build your energy, clean your body. Yes, ready for a long day of hard work. Alright guys, please love upon me and I love upon you, and that's the final result again. Yes, yummy. It's a meal. It's a complete meal by itself, my peeps. I'm telling you. Make this for your wife. Make it for your husband. Oh my God. They're gonna love you. Yes. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love and be blessed. Ooh, yes.